Hi guys, in this video I'm going to explain to you the whole Facebook ads strategy for a Shopify store. If you own a Shopify store and you're running Facebook ads to market your products on your Shopify store, then this video is going to be absolutely very helpful for you guys, because in this video I'm going to explain the whole Facebook ads strategy that you need to make your Facebook ads profitable and to sell your products on your Shopify store. Guys, in the last few months, I have spent about $10,000 on Facebook ads, and I've spent this money on my own Shopify store and also on the Shopify stores of my clients' businesses. And I have tested lots and lots of different strategies, that which exact strategy works to bring in sales profitably for a Shopify store. Now, when I say strategies, it includes what kind of ad is going to work as a prospecting ad campaign. What objective should you use in your prospecting ad campaign? What objective should you use inside of Facebook ads when you're running the ads the first time? What audience should you target in your retargeting ad campaigns? How many interest segments should you target in your ad sets? How many ad sets there should be for each product? How many ad creatives should you test? Now, these are lots and lots of combinations, and if you try all of these ads one by one, each of these ads is going to give you results in 3 to 4 days. And if you wait for 3 to 4 days and try all of these combinations, it's going to take literally months of your time and thousands of dollars. So by making this video, I'm trying to save you thousands of dollars and months of time, share the strategy that have worked for me, and I'm hoping that it's going to work for you as well. And I'm sharing this ad strategy with you guys because it took a lot of my time. I had to work at a marketing agency to learn this strategy, and I don't want you guys to work somewhere to just learn this simple strategy. That's why I'm trying to be as generous as I possibly can, and I'll try to share the complete strategy with you guys. Anyway, let's start running ads. Okay, the first thing you need to start running Facebook ads for your Shopify store is Facebook Business Manager. And if you don't have one, we need to create one. To create one, go to business.facebook.com and now log into your Facebook account. And after that, it will show you a few more steps, which will be very easy. Just give your Facebook Business Manager a name and you will create your business manager. Facebook Business Manager is like a house, and inside that house lives your Facebook pixel, your Facebook page, and your Facebook ads account. The benefit of this whole business manager is that if you are managing ad accounts for not just for your own business, but also for your clients like myself, you don't have to log out of your ad account and then log back into your client's account. You can just use the drop-down menu and choose the ad account of your client, and you can manage all the ad accounts from the same business manager. That's why it's very helpful. So now I am inside my Facebook Business Manager. It is these days called Meta Business Suite for some reason. Anyway, go to settings, then scroll down and you'll see another settings, business settings. Okay, so now you need 3 things to start marketing your Shopify store on Facebook ads. The first thing is a business page. Second thing is a pixel. And the third thing is an ad account. Let's start making the ad account. Choose ad account, click create a new ad account. This ad account a name, and then click next, follow a few steps, and you will have your ad account created for you. Okay, I'm not making another ad account because I already have an ad account, and I'm actually going to show you my actual ad account that I use for my business, Hammer and Claw. This business that sells these leather products. This is a keyring, and I'm actually trying to show you the whole process of setting up an ad for this product, and for that I'm going to use my own ad account. Okay, so once you have the ad account, the second thing is the business page. For that, you need to go to pages, click add, click create a new page, and then you need to give this a name. You should also choose a category. It really doesn't matter that much, but it I think helps. Just choose a category and click next, and a few more steps and you will have your business page as well. Okay, so once you have created the business page as well, I have this page here. You also need to create the pixel. To create the pixel, go to data sources and go to pixels. Okay, yeah, sometimes the pixels these days are moved to datasets. Go to datasets and click add. I have already created a few test pixels because I was showing it to someone how to create a new pixel. You just need to give it a name. I'm gonna give it test 2 because I already have created many other test, pixels, and click create. So that's it. Now you will have your pixel, you will have the business page, and you will also have the ad account. And you just need these three things to start marketing your Shopify store on Facebook ads. Now, before setting up Facebook ads, you need to do one or two more steps. The first thing is click your pixel and assign people. Basically, you need to give access of this pixel to someone, which is usually going to be yourself, and give them full control. Click assign. I already have assigned my pixel to myself, so I'm not going to do that again. And also, you need to go to your pages, click the relevant page, click assign people, and choose the person. Scroll down, full control. You have to give them full control and click assign. I already have assigned myself. Now the third thing is go to your ad accounts, click add account, and if you don't see yourself here, click assign people and choose yourself, full control, click assign. And one final thing, go back to the data sets, choose your pixel, click connected assets, click assign asset, and now choose the newly created ad account. That will give a signal to Facebook that this pixel is connected to that ad account. So you will use that ad account to set up ads which will use this pixel. All right, so now once you have these three things with you, the page, the pixel, and the ad account, you can start setting up the ads. To start setting up the ads, go to these three lines, go to Ads Manager. Okay, so now we're going to start running prospecting ads for this particular product. And prospecting ads means that we're going to show the ads to people who have never seen our ads before, or who have never interacted with our business before, or who have never visited my business's profile, who have never had any interaction with my business whatsoever before. They are called cold audience, which means they have no idea about my business. They are cold audience. Once they will have visited the website, we'll start calling them warm audience. Okay, so start running. So the first thing we're going to do is start running prospecting ads. To do that, click create, click sales, click continue. Always choose manual sales campaign setup. We're never going to choose the automatic one. We are going to give it a name. And because it is for my leather keyring, and I'm also going to call it prospecting, and the date is 12th March, and that's it. This is going to be the name. Now, if you can see these three things are, the first thing is the ad campaign, the second one is the ad set, and the third one is the actual ad. So if we need to start marketing this particular leather wallet, we need to make a separate ad campaign. And if we are running ads to market this particular keyring, we need to start running a separate ad campaign. I have about 10 products on my website, and I make a separate ad campaign for each product. That makes my life very easy, and that makes the ads very effective as well. Now, the second thing is the ad set. The ad set only contains the audience. The only difference between different ad sets is going to be different audience. And the third thing is going to be the actual ad. The ad means it's going to contain the ad creative. The ad creative means it's either going to have an image or the video of the product, and we are going to call it the ad creative, and it's going to have the ad copy as well. Anyway, it's going to be very easy and very exciting, and I'll show you all the details while setting things up. Under special ads category, do not select anything. Under campaign details, turn this off. We are not going to use catalog. Catalog means it's going to pull the images from Shopify of our products and then use those images as the ad creatives. We're not going to use that. We're going to use our own images and videos. Scroll down, and do we need any other changes here? No. Click next. Now we are at the ad set level. The purpose of the ad set, the only purpose of every ad set is just to use different audience. We are only going to use one interest, one segment of audience inside of each ad set, and we are going to give the name of that ad set according to the interest we'll use inside this particular ad set. But I don't know which interest I'm going to target, so I'm just going to leave it as it is. And once I will select the interest, I'll come back and change the name of this ad set, just to make it easy for me to recognize that which particular interest is inside of each ad set. Now it's asking me where the conversion is going to take place. On my website, app, it's always going to be on my website as long as I have a Shopify store. It's asking me the performance goal. It's always going to be maximize number of conversions. The pixel is going to be the pixel we've just created. It must also be the same pixel that we have integrated with our store. Now the next thing is conversion event. This is where we're going to choose, either we're going to choose the add to cart event or purchase. Now there is a rule. If you have never started running ads for, let's say, this product from your ads account, from this particular ads account, then you must start running add to cart campaigns for this product. Once you receive 20 to 30 add to cart, then start running purchase ads for this particular product and never run add to cart campaigns again from this particular ad account. If your ad account gets blocked or something happens to this ad account and you have to make a new ad account and you have to start running ads for this particular product from your newly created ad account, then you must start running add to cart campaigns again. There is also an exception to this rule. If you are selling your products in a country like Pakistan, where there isn't a lot of competition, then you can skip the add to cart campaign rule because there isn't a lot of competition here. If you set up purchase campaigns, you start receiving purchases because there isn't that much competition compared to the USA or the UK, where there is fierce competition. Now, the purpose of setting up add to cart campaigns is to give your pixel lots of data at a lower cost. Because if you set up purchase campaigns, that purchase campaign is also going to bring add to carts, but the cost per add to cart that the purchase and ad campaign will bring is going to be much higher compared to the cost per add to cart that the add to cart campaign is going to bring. Lots and lots of my clients who started working with me, when they were setting up their ads themselves, they were all making this mistake that they were setting up purchase ad campaigns straight away. And that's why they were not receiving any purchases. Because I have, ran ads for this particular product so many times, and it's a years old ad account, I'm going to use purchase. Okay, and we're going to leave cost per result blank, dynamic creative off. The budget should be at least about $10 per ad set. This is the ad set, and the budget is chosen inside the ad set. So if you're running one ad set, then your budget must be at least $10 per day per ad set, and it's going to increase with the number of ad sets you will make. I would recommend creating at least 3 ad sets and trying at least 3 different audiences to see which one performs better. Once we'll find the one that performs better, we'll keep that, scale that, and the ones that won't be performing any good, we'll turn them off. So the equivalent of US dollars, 10 USD is about 2,500 Pakistani rupees. My ad account is in Pakistani rupees because I initially started selling these products in Pakistan. I still sell them in Pakistan, but eventually I took it to the UK because I can sell at a higher price, my profits can be higher, and I can make more money, and I will be rich very, very soon. That's why I'm selling in the UK. There is no shame. Anyway, apart from that, we don't need to set up anything else. Now, under audience control, you will see the location. And once you hover on this location, you will see this added thing here. Click here, cross out this particular location if you don't want to mark it here, and choose your location. I'm going to choose United Kingdom, and you can also choose a particular city, but if you are going to sell in the UK, you have to choose the whole country. Okay, under advantage audience, nothing. Switch to original audience options. Use original audience options. It's going to give you more control over your audience. So the location is the UK. Do not touch the age, do not touch the gender, and everything else is fine. Placements, don't touch the placements either. Click next. Oh, we haven't selected any interest. We need to select an interest inside of the ad set. That's why we clicked the original audience options. Okay, now we are going to enter at least one interest segment here. I always just keep it very simple and just use one interest inside of each ad set. Some people use a stack of interests. You can try that too. That doesn't really make any difference for me. So I'm just going to either use one interest, or I keep it blank and keep it broad, which means everyone in the UK who Facebook thinks can buy from me, Facebook will show the ads to them. And once sales start coming in from that broad audience, Facebook will itself judge that, okay, this person has bought the product, and who is more similar to this particular customer, and Facebook will show the ads to those people. So I keep it broad sometimes, and sometimes I choose just one interest. We're going to give the name to the ad according to the creative we are going to use. And I'm going to use an image inside of this ad. So I'm going to call it image. And now you have to choose your Facebook page. There we go. I've chosen the Facebook page. Now under ad setup, you can choose create ad, or if you already have Instagram or Facebook post that you like and you want to use as an ad, you can use existing post. And if you really want to use that post, click here, choose select post, go to Instagram or Facebook and choose the particular post you like, and that will be used as your ad creative. But I'm right now going to use the image from my computer. That's why I'm just going to click create ad and manual upload, single image or video. Yes, everything is fine. Add creative, click add media, click add image. And now I am going to add an image from my computer for this particular product. So I'm going to use image. Click next. Okay. Now, because I have chosen a square image, when this ad will be shown as stories or reels, this whole area will be blank and it will look bad. That's why I'm going to use a separate image for reels and stories. To do that, I'm going to click replace, and I'm going to use a tall 916 creative or image for this particular placement. And I'm going to keep this one as it is and click next. All optimizations, I'm going to choose all of optimizations and click done. These optimizations, these are not going to make a huge difference, but it's okay to choose them all. Okay, now we have chosen the ad creative, and we're gonna now start writing the ad copy. The ad copy means the first thing I always write in the ad copy is the flag of the country where I'm selling the product, because that immediately gives the audience an idea that this particular product is actually available in our country. They don't get put off. So I'm just going to copy this flag icon from here and paste it here. Now I have to write the ad copy, and the ad copy must be very relevant to my ad creative, because in the ad creative I put a circle there and I've written imperfect here. Now I have to explain what's going on here. If I don't explain, people are going to be annoyed. They're gonna feel deceived that, hey, they were trying to show me something and now they're not showing me anything. Basically, I'm trying to show people that this imperfection in the stitching is actually because it is hand stitched, and because this perfection is there, it means that it is actually hand stitched. Because once someone stitches these things with hands, it's always not as precise or perfect as a machine. But the point of using hand stitching is that it is very, very strong and very robust. And it's also very difficult to find, makes products very exclusive. Not many people can do hand stitching, and not many people can sell hand stitched products. That's why it makes the product a bit unique as well. Although it's very hard to find people who can make these products, but it really helps to increase the sales. I'm going to start writing, did you notice the stitching? I'm going to say something about the stitching and why it is imperfect, just the way I've explained it to you guys. But I don't write the ad copies myself because I'm not a native English speaker. English is not my first language, and if I write English, it's not going to be as attractive or as catchy or as good as someone else can write for me. I will give them ideas, just like I've given to you guys, that it must be something, it must be relevant to the ad creative. It cannot be something else. It cannot be just beautiful words. It must be very relevant to whatever is happening in the ad creative. I will explain it to the person who's going to write the ad copy, and then I am also going to add a few more things. For example, I'm going to add a CTA, call to action, which means I'm going to add buy now after writing the whole ad copy. This is not the ad copy. I write a few more lines of ad copy, and after that I would write buy now, and then I'll paste the link of this particular product here, because sometimes some people don't really know that they have to click the learn more or shop now button, or they can click the image just to visit the website. They always try to find the URL of the product. That's why I always try to put the URL in the ad copy. So to copy the URL, I'm gonna go to my website, find the product, and then copy the URL from here. There is also a way to make this URL, this link, shorter. I don't use that because that really doesn't help with conversions. Okay, that's it. In the headline is going to be this bold text where Facebook has automatically written the brand name. This is the headline. Whatever I'll write here will be shown there. Okay, so in the headline I'm going to write hand stitched leather keyring, and then in this text under hammer and claw is going to be the description. So whatever you will write in the description will be shown here. Sometimes Facebook's preview is not going to show you whatever you're going to write here. For example, I've written hand stitched leather keyring. It must show it here, but it's not showing for some reason. But it will be shown when the ad will go live. So don't worry about that. I'm going to write 3-day shipping in the UK. This is instantly going to give an idea to the UK audience that this ad is for us and this product is actually available in the UK. Let's buy it. Now under call to action, I'm always going to choose order now or shop now. That's it. There is one more step. I have to give this ad a URL. The URL is going to be always going to be my product page, not the home page. After giving the URL, I'm also going to build the URL parameter. I'll explain what it is, but let's just make it first. The campaign medium is going to be the ad set name. The campaign name is going to be the campaign name, and the campaign content is going to be ad name. What this keyring PRP 12 March whatever, this is the campaign name, and this is the ad set name, and this is the image, this is the ad name. It is going to put these things automatically in the URL whenever someone clicks this ad and visits my website. And if they purchase the product, there is a place inside Shopify that shows you that which particular URL has brought this sale. You'll be able to see inside of your Shopify that this particular ad campaign, ad set, and ad has brought the sale, because you're running multiple ad sets and campaigns and ads. How would you know that whether your video is working better, or image is bringing more sales, or ebook readers ad set is bringing more sales, or another audience is bringing more sales? By making this URL parameter, you'll be easily able to track that which particular ad or ad set or which particular ad is bringing sales. You would be thinking that why Facebook ad is not going to show that which particular ad has brought the sale. Because after iOS 14 update, Facebook apps cannot track what you do on an e-commerce website while using your iPhone. That means iPhones make Facebook blind, and Facebook will have no idea that what someone is doing. That's why Facebook ads can't track 100% of the data. Facebook ads sometimes track about 70-80% of the data these days. And if Facebook is not telling you that which particular ad or ad creative has brought the sale, the URL parameter will tell you. So just to show you guys, if I go into orders in my Shopify store and under conversion summary, click view conversion details, and here you will see that URL parameter can be seen. Click view full session, and this is the name of the campaign, this is the medium, this is the ad set, and this is the actual ad. The video brought the sale. So that's how you will be able to track that which particular ad or ad campaign or ad set is bringing the sales. That's why it's very important. And after that, you don't have to select anything else. Nothing else needs to be done after you have built the parameter, and that's it. Now we can publish this ad. But what's the point of publishing the ad with just one audience segment? We need to test at least 2 ad creatives and 3 different audience segments. So let's do that. First of all, we need to make another ad. To do that, click these 3 dots, click quickly duplicate, and this time we are going to add a video instead of an image as our ad creative. So write down the name according to the ad creative we're going to use, and this time it's going to be a video. So video, and scroll down. We're not going to change anything else. We're just going to change this image, and instead of that, we're going to use a video. So remove this one, click this bin, and this time choose a video, add video, and choose any video that you think is okay for you. I'm going to choose this particular video and click next. Okay, so now I have selected this particular video as my ad creative. Okay, while selecting the video, it is black at the moment because it is not loading the preview for some reason. While selecting the ad creative, you can see that this is a square placement, and a vertical ad doesn't really suit this particular placement. Usually what I do is I use the vertical ad creative and make another square video for this particular placement and click replace and use that square ad instead of a vertical one, which really doesn't suit a square placement. All right, so once I've done that, I don't need to change anything else. And because while building my URL parameter, I used the dynamic ad name, which means if this URL parameter is going to be inside an ad which is called video, it will use video automatically. I don't have to change the name of the ad manually. And then we will make more copies of this particular ad set, but the name of the ad creative and ad set will be automatically changed because it is done. Okay, so now my video ad is ready, and I just need to make 2 more copies of this particular ad set because we're going to run 3 ad sets in total. We already have 1. We need to make 2 more copies of this particular one. To do that, click these 3 dots, and this time we're going to not choose quickly duplicate, we're going to use duplicate. And original campaign, everything is fine. Number of copies are going to be 2 because we already have 1. We just need 2 more, which will give us 3 in total. Okay, now we have got 2 copies. We're just going to go inside each copy and change the audience of each ad set. To do that, just scroll down to this section where we can see interest, cross this one out and choose another audience segment. Now, there is also a trick to find out that what is the interest of someone who buys leather keyrings. Sometimes what I do is I go on Amazon and I find a similar product, a leather keyring, and then I check the reviews, reviewed other products. So you can see that someone who is interested in this product, what their other interests are. So you can get an idea about a product and what someone's interests can be from Amazon's reviews as well. But usually it's not that complicated, and you can use any interests and see which ones work and which ones do not work. So as my second interest, I'm going to choose frequent travelers, and that's a behavior, not an interest, but doesn't matter. I'm going to copy it. And I'm going to change the name of this ad set according to the interest we have used. Now we have frequent travelers and ebook readers, and we just have this third one remaining behind. We are going to change the interest inside of this one as well. So we're going to scroll down to the interest, cross this one out and choose another interest. I'm just going to choose luxury retail items. That's it. And I'm going to copy and paste it here as the name of my third ad set. So now I have created the campaign with 3 ad sets and 6 ads. I'm going to click publish, and after I publish, it must give me the message here that 3 ad sets and 6 ads have been published. Okay, it is only published 1 ad. That means we need to publish the other 2 again. The ones that are not published are a bit green or yellow. Just highlight the campaign and click publish again to make sure that 2 ad sets and 4 ads are also published. Highlight both the ad sets and then click publish, and this time it will give us a message that 2 ads, 4 ad sets. Sorry, 2 ad sets, 4 ads. Perfect. All right, guys. So now our prospecting campaign has been created, and after some time, after staying in review for some time, it will become active like the campaigns. Okay, now we have created the prospecting campaign, and it is time to make the retargeting ad campaign. The first thing you need to figure out is what should be the audience you are going to use inside of your retargeting ad campaign. There could be many audiences you can try and test. And that could be people who have added the product to the cart but did not buy it. That could be people who have initiated the checkout but did not complete the checkout. That could be people who have visited your website but did not buy the product. And that could also be people who have visited our Facebook profile but did not purchase the product. But I have found out that the most effective retargeting audience is the people who have watched the video from our prospecting ad campaign and who have watched at least 50% of the video from our prospecting ad campaign. I have tested that audience gives us the lowest cost per purchase and highest return on ad spend. Now, to target that audience, we first need to create that audience. To create that audience, we need to go to audiences, click create audience. Custom audience means people who have already interacted with your business before. Maybe they have visited your profile. Maybe they have watched a video. Maybe they have visited a particular page on your website. In our case, they've watched a video. So we're going to choose custom audience. Because they've watched a video, we're going to choose video. Next. And now we need to choose our Facebook page. I've chosen my Facebook page. And now we need to choose where the video is. Is that on Facebook? Is that on Instagram? Are you running an ad using that campaign? In our case, yes. Or you can also bring in the video ID. Finding the video ID is difficult, especially for beginners. So just go with campaign because we have that video inside the campaign. Click campaign. Now we have to choose the campaign. Click here. And because it always shows the latest the latest campaign on the top. So this is the campaign that has the video that we need, and we want people who have watched 50% of this video. We need to retarget them. So this is the video. We have selected this video. Click confirm. Now instead of 365, we need to just select 7 days. That means we are only showing this ad to the people who have watched 50% of our video in the last 7 days. And now I'm going to give it a name. I'm going to call it Keyring 50% video views. And I always give it a date because otherwise I forget that which particular audience this was. You can also write a description. Okay, fantastic. Now the audience has been created. Now we need to create the retargeting ad using this particular audience. To do that, go back to campaigns. Campaigns is the place where all our campaigns live. And now you can see that, this has been reviewed and it's now active in just a matter of few minutes. Amazing. Now we need to set up the retargeting ad campaign. To do that, we are going to click create, sales, continue, manual setup, continue. Now the name, I have to name it according to the product and obviously according to whether it's a prospecting campaign or retargeting. It's a retarget campaign and the date is 12 March 2024. That's it. And do not use catalog. I explained that before. Please don't use catalog. Okay, click next. Now we know the audience. We are going to use the custom audience of 50%. People who have watched 50% of our video. We can name it according to that. I call it 50% video views. This is the audience we're going to use. Now we're going to scroll down. We have to choose the event. It's always going to be purchase. Okay, and now we have to choose the audience. Okay, on our right side, it's giving us estimates that how many people it's going to reach and how many conversions, which means sales in this case, because we have chosen purchase as our conversion event. It's not right. It is sometimes we receive more, sometimes we receive less. So this is just ignore it. Okay, click edit and cross this one out. Use original audience. And now we can see this custom audience area where we can choose the custom audience. Just click here and we will see the audience we have just created. 50% video views, 12th March. We're going to choose this one. Now we're choosing our custom audience, and you can keep this checked. Reach people beyond your custom audience when it's likely to improve sales. And do not touch anything else. Age, gender, it's perfect. Now we need to click next and go to our ad section where we can choose the ad. In our retargeting ad campaign, I again tend to use 2 ad creatives, a video and an image. The purpose behind using an image is some image performs better because sometimes people are traveling, they are in a car, they don't have a Wi-Fi connection, and when their connection is slow, loading up a video is hard for them, and an image works better in that particular situation. Or sometimes some people just prefer image. Sometimes for some people images work better, so we always use images as well as video ad creatives every time. I'm going to choose my business page. Now the rest of the process is exactly the same as I did while setting up our prospecting ad campaign. You have to make an image ad, write the ad copy, build the URL, and then duplicate this ad, make a video ad, and then just publish it. That's it. This will create your retargeting ad as well. And now you do not need to set up any other ad campaigns for this particular product. You just need one prospecting ad campaign and one retargeting ad campaign. If it's not working, you have to choose the audience, the ad creatives, the videos, the images, but you don't have to create more ad campaigns for this product. 2 are just fine. Now, all your products are not going to give you a good return on ad spend if you advertise them through Facebook ads. For some of your products, you will advertise them on Facebook, and once you will receive the purchase, you'll retarget the same person through email and sell them another product. For that other product, you will not use Facebook ads. So you will see that which product, whether the Keyring whether the bifold wallet or whether this lady's wallet, which one is bringing you the best return on ad spend. For me, this keyring is bringing the best return on ad spend because it is cheap, I think, or maybe it has a good product to market fit. I don't know. I tested it. This one is bringing me the best return on ad spend, so I just use this one. And for other products, I try to use email marketing. You just have to find one or two products that are going to give you customers, or that are going to give you sales at a lower cost per purchase. I call those products gateway products. Gateway products means that the products that perform really well on Facebook ads, and these products become a gateway in for bringing in new customers into your brand. These products bring in customers at a cheaper cost per purchase, and then you can retarget those customers through email marketing, SMS marketing, or other marketing. But these products turn out to be your gateway products. So you're going to have a few gateway products, and you're going to have some products that are not going to do well on Facebook. That's perfectly fine. So guys, if you have any questions related to Facebook ads, if you're running Facebook ads for your e-commerce business yourself, you can ask me questions in the comments. I would literally love to answer your questions, or make another video to answer your question. Or if you're wondering whether you can use Facebook ads profitably for your business, I have a scorecard on my website. I have developed that scorecard after interviewing lots and lots of clients. That scorecard will give you your business's readiness score, that how ready your business is to run Facebook ads profitably. Now, if you are managing your Facebook ads yourself, you can also download my Facebook ad strategy. I don't hide it. It's free. My courses are always going to be free, and I'll always charge for the implementation. But the course is free. It's on my website. You can download that. If you have any questions, guys, again, please write that in the comment, and I would love to answer your questions. This video contains almost 90% of the knowledge I possess. I don't have that much knowledge. So, I'm sure it's going to be very helpful for you guys if you're setting up Facebook ads or managing Facebook ads for yourself. Thank you very much, guys.